Greetings, and welcome back to World Wealth Forge. In this comprehensive video, we're unveiling 10 powerful strategies to help you invest wisely for retirement. Retirement planning is crucial, and these tips will guide you towards a financially secure future. Have you thought about your retirement goals and how to achieve them? Are you aware of your risk tolerance and how it impacts your investment decisions? Join us as we explore these questions and more, providing valuable insights to empower you on your retirement investing journey. First, set clear goals for this. Start by defining your retirement goals. Determine the age at which you plan to retire and the lifestyle you aim to have. Calculate the estimated expenses for your desired retirement lifestyle. Second, understand risk tolerance. For this, assess your risk tolerance by considering your financial situation, investment goals, and comfort level with market fluctuations. Conservative investors may prefer lower-risk investments, while aggressive investors may seek higher risk, higher return opportunities. Third, diversify your portfolio. For this, diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash equivalents. This helps reduce the impact of volatility in any single investment. Fourth, consider tax-efficient strategies. For this, explore tax-efficient investment options like Roth IRAs or 401ks. These accounts offer tax advantages that can help you save more for retirement. Fifth, regularly review your portfolio. For this, periodically review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Sixth, maximize retirement accounts. For this, contribute the maximum allowable amount to your retirement accounts, such as 401ks, IRAs, or other employer-sponsored plans. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions. Seventh, plan for healthcare costs. For this, consider healthcare expenses in your retirement planning. Explore options like health savings accounts, HSAs, to cover future medical costs tax efficiently. Eighth, avoid high fees. For this, choose low-cost investment options to maximize your returns. High fees can eat into your investment gains over time, so look for low-cost index funds or ETFs. Ninth, stay informed. For this, stay up to date with financial news and trends. Understanding the market and economic conditions can help you make informed investment decisions. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Last, consult a financial advisor. For this, a professional can help you create a personalized retirement plan based on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. These strategies, when applied diligently, can help you build a solid foundation for retirement. Start investing wisely today to secure a comfortable future tomorrow. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to thumb up and subscribe for more valuable content.